Okay, so this is a $16 lapel mic, just plugged into my voice recorder on my phone. Just going to give it a bit of a test. It's a tiny little mic, so it doesn't have a dead cat or anything on it. I've just clipped it onto my mic from my Cena, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. See how bad the wind noise is in it. $16, I figured who cares, if it's crap, it's crap. Geez, I'm not used to wearing a full face helmet, I'll tell you that for nothing. So GoPro Hero 8 Black, recording in 2.7 at 60. Currently the audio is a test with a cheap lapel mic clipped in inside the helmet in front of my mouth there. No dead cat or anything, and it's just recording onto the voice recorder app on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Alright, we're up to normal speeds now. We're doing about 90, 95. Slowing down to the speed limit 80. That's my neighbour. Didn't see me. Be interesting to see how it is, because the center picks up way too much noise. Picks up the bike noise. I turned the Vox settings off on the Cena, but it still seems to crackle in and crackle out, so just looking for something better. Gives me a good excuse to go shopping as well, so go up the shops, get some bread and milk. We're on lockdown, so taking the long way to go get bread and milk. It's still only 3 or 4 k's though, so it's enough for a quick test. Forgot how annoying full face helmets were. Bloody hell. Oh, you're seriously, man? Fucking idiot. Oops. Just block the road off, you dumb shit. So this is with the visor down, which once again I hate. So I'll lift it up in a minute and see how bad that gets. Riding my 2019 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. It's done just over 8,000 kilometers. 5,000 and a bit miles if you're in the States. Let's see how bad the noise is with it up. Could be better, could be worse. Hey, that's not bad. So I'll leave it up for a little bit. Let's see how bad this audio gets. cars on the road considering we're in lockdown. Look, you're still allowed to go and get essential service stuff, so I've got some items in the back of the bike here I need to drop off to the mother-in-law because she's elderly and can't get to the shops. Put the visor down, so I'll do that briefly and then I'll pick up what I need. Hopefully it's not too bad, but who knows. It's $16 bloody lapel microphone plugged into a phone, so I'm not expecting it to be that great. It doesn't have a dead cat, as I said, so if the quality's not too bad, just a bit windy, I can always get a dead cat for it. But the microphone's absolutely tiny. Visor up. So failing this, I guess I'll probably, I'm not sure what I'll do next. Get a purple panda or something like that, we'll see. It's not as if I do a lot of vlogging though, so I'm not overly, don't want to spend that much money. Well, you're actually going to turn. I nearly got wiped out earlier today because the car had an indicator on saying he was turning left here, so I went, but he didn't end up turning, so that was fun. Alright, visor's going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I'm not talking loud or anything, I'm just talking normally. Probably a little bit quieter than normal actually, considering in a helmet, listening to yourself isn't all the best. Big Bertha through. Visor's up. Once I get going after this set, I'll turn her off in a minute. Alright everyone, hopefully that actually recorded. Hopefully the mic sounds alright If it sounds like shit, I guess you'll never know because it won't get posted. Alright, on that note, see you later.